Over 35 years, we've helped many families with firework injury cases in Georgia. If you're watching this video, you may be having similar questions as to what kind of damages are recoverable for firework injuries in Georgia. Examples include past medical bills, future medical bills. We've had clients that have gone to the burn center and had skin grafts on their body and on their hands and arms. We've had clients that were flown by helicopter to Atlanta to have fingers and hands repaired and operated on in Atlanta. Future skin grafts, future medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering. Those are examples of damages that are recoverable in fireworks cases in Georgia. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'd be happy to help.